Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you grade 8 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: demonstrate use of common and proper, collective, countable and uncountable nouns. Differentiate between and demonstrate use of material and abstract nouns. Apply the rules of change of number of nouns learnt earlier. Now look at the page number 8 in your textbook. We have a section of grammar here about noun. I hope you have learned all these nouns in your previous class too. So let's discuss it one by one. Look at the first one here. Common nouns. Common nouns are general names. They are not capitalized. Look at the definition and example here. Common noun used to name people, places, things in general. It refers to the class or type of person or thing without being specific. For example, girl, city, animal, house, food. Now look at the proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names. They do require capitalization. Look at the definition example of proper noun. Proper noun used to name a specific or individual person, place or thing. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Look at here the examples. Ahmad. Here in the common noun we can say a boy, but in proper noun there is a specific person, specific name Ahmad, and A is capitalized in Ahmad. Pluto. France. France is an example of place. Look at the countable nouns here. Countable nouns are people, animal, places, things or ideas which can be counted. Like how? Have a singular and plural form and can be used with the number or a and before it. They are sometimes called count nouns like car, desk, cup, house, bike. It can be counted. A car, 2 desks, 3 cups. They can be easily counted. Uncountable nouns here are not individual objects, so they cannot be counted. Look at here. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They often refer to substances, liquid and abstract ideas. They are sometimes called mass noun. For example, wood, milk, air, happiness. But uncountable nouns can be measured in a liter, gram, kilo, etc. Now look at the abstract noun here. Abstract noun is a noun denoting an idea, quality or state rather than a concrete object. Abstract noun has no physical existence. We cannot touch it, we cannot see it. They refer to ideas, emotions and concepts. You cannot see, touch, hear, smell or taste. Look at the examples. Love, time, fear, freedom. Good. Look at the last one. Material noun is a noun that can be identified through one of the 5 senses. 5 senses are taste, touch, sight, hearing or smell. Look at here. Material nouns refer to people or things that exist physically and that at least one of the senses can detect. Like dog, we can see it with our eyes. Tree, apple, moon, sock. Dear student, this is your exercise from the types of noun which we have discussed on page number 10. For each sentence, you have to choose one right option here. There are given 4 options for each sentence. You have to choose the right one. Look at the first one. The cat drank the milk from the saucer. You need to identify the bold one, which is written in bold. Cat, milk and saucer. What combination will be the right? Here we have the 3-3 combination of each noun. Yes, here the cat is common, milk is uncountable and saucer is common noun. So this is the right option. Look at the second one. Lubna loves to climb a mountain every Sunday. What will be the right option? Yes, Lubna here is proper noun. Mountain is a common noun and Sunday is a proper noun. Yes, here this one. Proper, common and proper. Look at the third one. The history of the city is recorded in a book. Here the history, city and book. Here the history is abstract, an idea or concept. City is common and book is also common. So this will be the right option. Look at the fourth one. His wealth is the enemy of his friends. Here the right answer is this. Yes, wealth is abstract, enemy is abstract, and here the friends are plural. The plural form of friend. Look at the fifth one. My family is going to Lahore next month. Here this option is right. Collective, proper and abstract. Here the family is a collective noun, Lahore is a proper noun and month is an abstract noun, an idea or a concept. Look at the sixth one. Her fear was her belief in ghosts. Yes, these all are abstract nouns. Look at the seventh one. My grandfather took us for fishing to Ravi River in Lahore. Here this is common, proper and proper noun. Now look at the page number 11. Monkeys swing on the branches of trees. Yes, this is the right one. Common, collective and common noun. Look at the ninth one. The tablecloth was stained and the waiter removed it from the table. Tablecloth, waiter and table. You need to identify these three. Yes, tablecloth is a compound noun. Here the table is one word and cloth is another word. So these both are together and form a compound word. So compound, common noun and common noun. Waiter is also common noun. Table is also common noun. Look at the 10th one. She said your happiness is most important to your husband and mother-in-law. Yes, here happiness is abstract noun. Husband is common noun and mother-in-law compound noun. Look at the 11th one. The group of friends fell into the water of the river. Yes, here this one is correct. Group is a collective noun. Water is an uncountable noun and river is a common noun. Look at the section B here. Choose whether the bold nouns are common, proper, collective or abstract. You have to choose the right option here for each sentence. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is an idea or concept, so it is an abstract noun. Suleiman was famous for his wisdom. Here, Suleiman is a proper noun. Number 3, a committee of 5 members was appointed sitting around the table. Yes, it is a material noun. We can touch it. It has a physical existence. Look at the 4th one. Jamila is a bright student. Here, student is common noun. 5th one. Wisdom is better than riches. Yes, this is an abstract noun. Look at the 6th one. I didn't believe the girl's story. Yes, common noun. 7th one. A teacher must have patience. Here the teacher is common noun. Look at the 8th one. Cleanliness is next to the godliness. Here the cleanliness is Yes, an abstract idea. Look at the ninth one. Does wood sink in water? Yes, it's a material noun. We can touch it. Look at the 10th one. My family lives in that house. Yes, it's a collective noun. Dear student, this is a paragraph from your unit number 1. You can find these nouns that we have discussed in this lesson from this paragraph too. What you need to do, just underline all the types of noun you can find in this paragraph. This is your homework from summer pack. I hope you can do this easily because all the noun we have discussed in detail. स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेसन में हमने कॉमन नाउन्स, प्रॉपर नाउन्स, काउंटेबल नाउन्स, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन और मटेरियल नाउन के बारे में पढ़ा, डिफिनेशन और एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ। उसके बाद हमने क्या एक्सरसाइजेस की, और आपका ये होम टास्क है कि आपने इस पैराग्राफ में से जितने भी हमने नाउन्स डिस्कस किए हैं, टाइप्स, जितनी नाउन्स की टाइप्स डिस्कस की हैं, आपने इस पैराग्राफ में से अंडरलाइन करना है। ये पैराग्राफ आपके यूनिट नंबर 1 से लिया गया है। इसके बाद आपका होमवर्क है समर पैक से। आई होप कि आप ये बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं। जितने भी हमने नाउन डिस्कस किए हैं ये उसी नाउन से दिए गए हैं। आई होप कि आपको मेरा लेसन पसंद आया होगा। थैंक यू।